Looking for a powerful tablet that can handle anything you throw at it? Then look no further than the Xiaomi Mi Pad 6s Pro. In this video, we'll be diving into 5 reasons why this might be the perfect tablet for you. The Mi Pad 6s Pro boasts a stunning 12.4-inch IPS LCD display with a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're watching your favorite shows, browsing the web, or getting creative with the stylus, this display delivers incredible detail, vibrant colors, and silky smooth visuals. Plus, with a peak brightness of 900 nits according to Xiaomi, you'll be able to enjoy clear visuals even in bright sunlight. The Mi Pad 6s Pro packs the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 2 processor, which is an absolute beast. This powerhouse can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease, from multitasking with heavy apps to editing videos or playing graphics-intensive games. Nobody wants a tablet that dies on them halfway through the day. Thankfully, the Mi Pad 6s Pro features a massive 10,000 mAh battery that promises all-day use on a single charge. Need a quick top-up? No problem. The 120 watts fast charging allows you to go from 0 to 100% in just 35 minutes according to Xiaomi, keeping you productive or entertained for longer. The Mi Pad 6s Pro isn't just for entertainment. With its optional keyboard and stylus support, it can transform into a productivity powerhouse. Take notes in class, edit documents on the go, or even create stunning artwork. Plus, Xiaomi's HyperOS on top of Android 14 promises seamless integration with other Xiaomi devices, making multitasking a breeze. While the final price may vary depending on your region, the Mi Pad 6s Pro offers incredible value for money. You're getting a top-of-the-line processor, a gorgeous display, long battery life, and productivity features, all at a competitive price point compared to other flagship tablets. It is a powerful and versatile tablet that's perfect for entertainment, work, and everything in between. If you're on the hunt for a high-end tablet that won't break the bank, the Mi Pad 6s Pro is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below what features of the Mi Pad 6s Pro impress you the most, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.